Hey guys, we're here with Shane and Chris. Shane's come over to lend us a hand, and Chris, obviously, he's a grafter, he's always here. Top man. So we're putting in the drops today. You'll be thankful to know I had loads of messages, people crying about the old drops have gone. So good news, they're going in and they're better than ever. We've got an intro, we've got a intermediate and advanced. So come down the bank, all this is going to be all shaped out, but for today we are just focusing on the drops. As you can see, they're looking very good, very professional. Thank you to everybody who has donated. Thank you to everyone who kind of gave us the wood. Very kind of you, and hopefully the blue skies will stay and we can get some work done.